Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I've been reading comments on the videos that I have made about the dry canned potatoes. Well, I have 2 jars of them right here. And as you can see, there's lots of liquid that has come out of the potatoes, from the potatoes, and also water that was left on the potatoes after soaking and rinsing. Okay. So there's plenty of water in here. They're not burned up. They're not black. They're cooked. So I'm going to fix these 2 jars of potatoes, and I'm going to let you folks listen to the seal breaking. That way the naysayers can have something else to naysay about. That was seal number 1. Did you hear it? Okay, let's do seal number 2. That sounds like a pretty good seal to me. So, let me grab one of these out. Okay. Is it cooked? Yeah. Has texture to it. It's perfectly cooked. Yeah, I'm going to heat it up and crisp it up, but nothing wrong with them. But guys, there you go. I broke the seal. You saw the moisture, the water that's cooked out of them. You tell me. Are they worth it? Yeah. I'll keep doing my rebel canning. You guys should really give it a try. I'll link that video in the description box, and you can watch it, and you can also see the results here in a few minutes whenever I put these in my air fryer to make a French fry for my family. But guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.